Welcome to the Health Center. Today's specialists are taking your calls about varicose and spider veins. Call 877-VEIN-YES right now. Hi, I'm Wendy Erickson. Here with me today, Dr. Wright from the Laser Vein Center and patient Sherry Farmer. Doctor, what if someone sees prominent veins?
Well, if we see varicose or spider veins, we know the blood is not flowing properly.
Sherry, tell us about your veins.
I went to a vein center where they went in and they tied off my vein. Obviously, the procedure wasn't so great because several years later, the pain and knots came back. They never explained the function of my vein, and they didn't go over what I needed to do. And then I met Dr. Wright, and he explained why my vein came back. Dramatic results. I wear shorts and dresses, and don't worry, best of all, the throbbing is gone, and that even provides a better night's sleep.
Do you treat other vein problems?
Yes, we also treat spider veins to improve the appearance of the legs.
So don't walk around with vein problems. Call our specialist at 877-VEIN-YES to schedule your appointment.